Hey, so I'll show you how to test it for iOS, the application, on your own because I just made a... Okay, wait. So I just tried to test it on iOS, on an iOS simulator on Mac in cloud, like my virtual Mac or my cloud Mac, and I need like admin, I need the admin username and password, and I will get this from macincloud.com's people, but this will take time. So in the meanwhile, maybe you can test out the application on your own. So I'll make a quick guide for this. So first of all, go to GitHub, right? github.com, and then I'll in this video I'm uploading it on YouTube. Just go to the link in the description, right? So when you go to the link in the description, it will be a link to the Alma application repository, right? So here is it. So what we'll do is we'll just clone it, right? So just go on it and press code, then make sure it's on HTTPS, and then press the copy button next to it, right? And then just open up a terminal. If you said you use macOS, right? So just open up a terminal. I'll be back right now. So just open up a terminal and just go to your downloads folder. So what you can do is clear. I'm not sure if you know like how the terminal works. I'll just act like you're a complete beginner. So first of all, when you open up the terminal, type in ls, right? And then it will list all the directories. So wait, I'll just go back to the home directory. So it will look something like this. It will have movies, download. So just cd to any move to any folder. So type in cd and then type in the folder you want to go into. So download. You can press tab and it will auto-complete it. Then press enter and then just type in this command, git clone, and then copy the thing from the GitHub repository and then right click and paste. So now if you press enter, it will clone it, right? So now it asks for my GitHub username. So this will not work that good. So instead we'll download it as a zip, right? So go to the repository and press, instead of doing it in the terminal, just press download zip, right? And then it will start downloading. So okay, now it's probably done downloaded. So I'm opening it up in the downloads folder, or where, wait. So I opened up the downloads folder and you'll see the GitHub repository will be in here. Okay, I know I'm a little bit slow because this is quite laggy, so yeah. So you can see here, after you downloaded it, it will be here. I'm not sure, maybe you should extract it, but for me it automatically extracted the zip file. So you can just right click it and then there will be like an extract option, or maybe it auto extracts it for you as well, right? So now we go back to the terminal and you're still in the downloads folder, right? So if you're still in the downloads folder, just press ls and then press cd Alma. Just type in Alma and then press tab and then press enter, right? And then press ls again, and now we'll install all the packages. So npm install, just run npm install, right? And it will take a while to download all the dependencies. For me it's quite quick because this Mac in cloud internet is very fast. Then what we'll do is we'll run the application. So after you download it, make sure it's completed. Type in npm start, and then it will start up the application, right? So what you can do is, if you have an iOS device like a phone, then you can just open up you need to download the Expo Go app. So you can go to your phone and go just type in Expo Go and download it on the App Store, and then after that just go into your camera and on your iOS app, no, on your iOS device like your phone, and then you just scan this QR code, right? And then it will automatically open up the application on your iOS on your iPhone, right? And then you can test it from there. Or what you can do is you're using macOS, right? So you can just type in I after it started up, and then it will open up the iOS simulator. For me, this is not working because I need like the admins to configure something on this cloud Mac so that I can use it. But if you press I, it will probably download something, and then the iOS simulator will work. If it doesn't work, you can just go to your settings, system settings, then go to privacy and security, go down to automation, and then press on this drop down menu, and then you'll see system events. Make sure it's on. You see, I cannot turn it on because I don't have like the admin's name and password. The admin of Mac and Cloud must do this for me manually. So just turn this on if it's not working, the iOS simulator. But if it already works, it will like open up you'll see like a small terminal and like a iPhone device on your macOS, and then you can just test the application from there. But if it's not working, you should do the thing I just told you. Go to privacy security and then turn this thing on, and then you can just run this command again, npm start, and then you can just press I again. But I reckon you have like an iOS, like an iPhone. If you have, just scan the QR code. No, first of all, download the Expo Go app on iOS and then scan the QR code. This will probably work for you because the way I developed the application, I did not use like push notifications or anything like that. So everything Expo handles like all the cross-platform stuff, right? So the application is supposed to work. So you can test out if the entire application is working, and yeah, if it works, just let me know, then we can go to the next step. The reason I'm making this video for you is so that you can maybe test it before I can, because I need the Mac and Cloud people to configure something like I told you just now, and in the meanwhile I just recorded this video and maybe you can test it as well. So when they accept me, I'll also test the application and bundle it probably, or no, I cannot because I need a Apple developer account, and I need like, it costs like $100 to make it, and I don't have that. So but I'll still show you how to like publish it to the App Store and everything like that. But yeah, this video is 9 minutes long. If you said you have a macOS, so you can test this out, please test it, please follow along and just test this out. I know I know you're outsourcing this work and you don't want to do the things yourself, but unfortunately I cannot do much now. I'm doing my best. I'm just waiting for them to accept or to configure the macOS so that I can test this myself. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll get this done as fast as possible.